When it comes to improving your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal, replacing your doors is often overlooked. However, your doors play a crucial role in your home's functionality and overall value. For homeowners in Kendall, where warm weather, occasional storms, and rising energy costs are part of daily life, door replacement can make a significant difference. Here are the top reasons why you should consider upgrading the doors in your Kendall home. Enhanced energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm climate, keeping your home cool can be a challenge, especially if your doors are old, worn, or poorly insulated. Drafty doors can let conditioned air escape and allow hot air to seep inside, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and advanced materials, such as fiberglass or steel, help minimize air leaks and heat transfer. By replacing your old doors, you can maintain a more comfortable indoor temperature and enjoy significant savings on your energy bills. Improved home security. Your home's doors are the first line of defense against intruders, so they need to be sturdy and reliable. Older doors with weak frames, worn-out locks, or visible damage can compromise your home's security. Upgrading to modern doors provides enhanced protection. Materials like steel and reinforced fiberglass are incredibly durable and resistant to forced entry. Many replacement doors also feature multi-point locking systems, smart lock technology, and impact-resistant glass for added security. With a new door, you can rest easy knowing your family and belongings are well protected. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or damaged door can detract from your property's curb appeal and leave a negative impression. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its appearance, replacing your door is an easy way to boost your home's style and charm. Modern doors come in a variety of materials, colors, and designs, allowing you to customize a look that complements your home's aesthetic. From elegant wood finishes to sleek, contemporary styles, a new door can dramatically improve your home's visual appeal. Increased home value. Door replacement is a home improvement project that offers a high return on investment. Prospective buyers value homes with modern, stylish, and energy-efficient doors because they know these upgrades contribute to lower utility bills, improved security, and reduced maintenance. By investing in high-quality replacement doors, you not only enhance your home's functionality but also increase its overall market value. This makes it a smart decision for homeowners in Kendall looking to sell or upgrade their property. Better storm protection. Kendall homeowners are no strangers to storms and harsh weather conditions. If your doors are not built to withstand strong winds, rain, or flying debris, your home could be at risk of damage during hurricane season. Impact-resistant doors are specially designed to endure extreme weather conditions. These doors feature reinforced frames and shatter-resistant glass that can protect your home from wind, water, and debris. Installing storm-ready doors ensures your home remains safe and secure, even during severe weather events. Reduced noise levels. If you live near a busy street, noisy neighbors, or a construction zone, outside sounds can disrupt your peace and comfort. Replacing your doors with modern options that feature soundproofing materials can significantly reduce noise pollution in your home. Doors with insulated cores and tighter seals help block out external noise, creating a quieter and more serene living environment for you and your family. Low maintenance and durability. Older doors, especially wood doors, require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. They may need to be repainted, resealed, or repaired due to warping, rotting, or other weather-related damage. Modern replacement doors are made with durable materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and steel that are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. These low-maintenance doors are built to withstand Kendall's warm and humid climate, saving you time and money on upkeep. Improved functionality. A door that sticks, squeaks, or doesn't close properly can be frustrating to deal with daily. Replacing old, poorly functioning doors ensures smooth operation and better performance. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or interior doors, new replacements offer improved functionality that makes everyday life more convenient. Upgrade your Kendall home with a new door. Replacing your doors is a simple yet impactful way to improve your Kendall home's energy efficiency, security, curb appeal, and comfort. With modern designs, durable materials, and energy-saving features, new doors provide long-lasting benefits that make your home safer, quieter, and more beautiful. If you're ready to experience the advantages of door replacement, consult with a professional door installation service in Kendall. They can help you choose the perfect door to suit your style and needs, ensuring a seamless upgrade that enhances your home for years to come.